Included components: wire harness, manual. Powers 4 speakers. Front left-right, rear left-right. Fits Volvo 1993 to 2004. Product dimensions: 6. 5 by 4. 5 by 2 inches. Top reviews from the United States. Makes installation of Double Din radio in 1993 to 2008 much easier. I ordered the Metra 70-9220 radio wiring harness for Volvo 9308 Power 4 speaker to allow a plug-and-play installation with the existing Volvo wiring harness. Based on the manual from JVC Double Din radio, just a matter of connecting the appropriate power and speaker wires from the Metra harness to the supplied harness from the JVC radio using crimp splice connectors, then installing the JVC frame in the car along with the bezel. The color coding on both wire harnesses match, so no need to trace wires, even though I did just to be sure. The power and speaker wire colors match on the Metra harness and the JVC harness, so just a matter of connect yellow to yellow, red to red, black white striped, etc. I am thinking this same Metra harness would allow most any Double Din radio head to fit in Volvo 1993 to 2008 model years that had the Volvo AM, FM CD, cassette Double Din radios.